Are you looking for an innovative and flexible lamp? Then we introduce you to this versatile 360-degree luminous flexible lamp, which gets its name for good reason. With its flexible design, you can easily DIY into any shape you desire. When suspended from the ceiling at varying lengths, this lamp creates a dreamy aurora effect with its undulating waves of light. Hung on a beam, it can function as both illumination and decoration. Moreover, it can also serve as a handrail on the stairway, or even a stunning decorative piece. The best part is that it radiates beauty, even when simply placed on the ground. What's more? Well, you can combine multiple lamps to create three-dimensional shapes, such as triangles, squares, pentagons, three-dimensional spherical shapes, giving you endless design possibilities. So, if you are looking for a lamp that can cater all your design needs, look no further. Contact Eford today for more details.